ICT traders, you can become a better trader than the managing directors on the desk at Goldman Sachs. And the difference is you can use AI to very quickly find your edge and become consistently profitable. Now, when I worked on the trading floor at Goldman Sachs, you had the infrastructure set up in such a way that there were so many support staff for the trader. So typically within a desk at Goldman Sachs, you have the partner, you have the managing director, you have the vice president, you have an associate, you have an analyst. Now, typically it would only be vice presidents, managing directors, and potentially partners who'll be booking trades. The associates are the analysts, the quants, the strats. They would all be assisting the people who are taking risk in order to make their decisions, be it collecting statistics or executing the trade. But now using AI, you can have a full desk infrastructure to aid you in becoming consistently profitable. So in this multi-part lecture series, I'm going to teach you exactly how to use AI to find or refine your trading edge. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use an application called Claude. So the great thing about Claude is Edgeful have now allowed you to access all the trading statistics available within the Edgeful database in an AI agent, which means all that raw data you can then manipulate yourself using the prompts you can using AI. Now I no longer use ChatGPT. ChatGPT is garbage. I've moved across to Claude. I tried Gemini. Gemini was okay for a bit, but Claude is where it's at. And I'm going to show you the complete step-by-step way in order to access all this trading data in Claude so you can produce beautiful dashboards, you can visualize your data and become a consistently profitable trader. So let me shut down Claude first. Now, in order to access the trading data API from Edgeful, you have to use code from Claude. And the great thing is, I will show you exactly how to do it. So Edgeful have produced a beautiful guide, but I'm going to go through it step by step because it was a little bit tricky until I worked out the bits and pieces. So this is Edgeful. So Edgeful has its own dashboard and it has dozens and dozens of reports for every single asset. But sometimes you want something a little bit more flexible. Let's say you want to combine statistics between different types of asset classes, such as you want to see the correlations between when NQ does something and when ES does something to get a stronger correlation. You can then do that using the data in Edgeful, but then hook it up to Claude. So this is the guide that you use, edgeful.com, docs, getting started, set it up with AI. So it's very simple. All you do is open Claude Code, copy this prompt, go back into your Claude. Now, before you paste the prompt in, it's important you install Git. Now, how do you install Git? Git is basically a code repository. So if you just go to git-scm.com, install Windows, just install it in the default path. Claude will then be able to find it. So let's try this again. So describe the task, and this is what I pasted in from Edgeful. Set up the Edgeful API for me, read these instructions, and follow the instructions there. Now, it takes a little bit of time, so I'm going to skip through some of this, but it's just basically setting everything up for you. So you don't have to be a coding expert anymore or read documentation. This thing does it for you, which is unbelievable. Again, you have to install Git first. After you've installed Git, just restart Claude. That way it can see where the environment variables and the path of Git is. So let this run for a while and let it connect to the Edgeful trading database, pick up all the data, and I will show you what it can do. Now, in future episodes, I will show you some specific queries you can do within Claude on the Edgeful data, but I just want to get you into a situation where you set it up first. So ensure you bookmark this and follow along. Always allow. So just always allow everything this Claude thing is asking you to do. It's just basically, am I allowed to run this? Am I allowed to run that? Now, one of the steps is you need to set the .env file with your API key, which you find in Edgeful. If you would like access to Edgeful, there's a link in the description to this video. So all you do is basically your password for Edgeful. You put that into a file on your desktop, and then it will be able to connect. So it has connected for me because I've already put it in there. So it's asking me the first question. You can now ask me to pull any of the 150 plus reports, the gap fill, the orb, the ADI, the initial balance, intraday stats, or for futures or stocks. Would you like me to build an HTML dashboard for this Russell 2000 data, or pull a different report? Okay, so let's say, show me a report, which will help me to intraday trade NQ and ES. See what happens. I want to find a trading edge, so you will do this for me. Okay, I'll pull several intraday relevant reports for both NQ and ES. Try a shorter report. Basically, Claude is struggling with the syntax of this, so try a shorter and simpler report, one to begin with. So it's found this report. NQ almost always breaks the opening range. A pure orb entry on the day open is risky because 50% time, price sweeps both sides. So a simple long above, short below has roughly a 50% chance of being a false move. The edge isn't whether it breaks, it always does. It's in which direction it holds. So this is the base layer. Would you want me to now pull orb by performance? And I'll say yes. So it's created a report for you. Early session, late session. So the contents of the report isn't what I'm going through in this particular session. What I want to do is show you how easy it is to create custom reports using the Claude API and Edgeful. So now it's trying something else. Let me pull the ES orb weekday performance and also orb by close and IB breakout for both tickers simultaneously. Okay, 4 clear edges from 12 months worth of data. The standout finding: Monday has a 2-to-1 upside skew, 35% clean breaks versus 70% clean breakdowns. And Tuesday is the worst day to trade, 64% chop. Want me to now pull the same analysis for ES? Yes. Show the conclusion visually. Okay, so it's created the edge for us. So orb by weekday, NQ versus ES, IB breakdown by weekday. Where does price close relative to the orb? So it is unlikely to close within the orb. So these are the edges. Edge 1, the strongest edge, Monday long bias confirmed on both tickers. Edge 2, structural, the initial balance beats the orb, wait for the first hour of trading, and then so on, so on. So the purpose of this lecture is not to go through the exact edge. You can pause it to read the edge. Just want to show you how powerful it is in order to mine the data that's within Edgeful. Let me show you some other dashboards I created. This one here. So you can create very beautiful dashboards showing the data visually. So this is a previous high, previous low breakout strategy, and it shows you all the data, and obviously you can modify what you're searching for. If you would like access to Edgeful, there's a link in the description to this video. If you would like me to teach you exactly how I trade my golden bullet and rabbit hole models for index futures, metals, energies, crypto, and currencies, there's a link to my mentorship below.